נעבור לספורט. פוס, בוא, פוס.
Please visit bluetidewide.ca.
למה אנחנו לא קונים כאלה, תגידי? באמת?
Supposedly there's one left, but we don't know if it's your size. If it's your size, it's meant to be.
It's like a squiggly.
Same as money going in, money going on. I'll write it on the back.
You know, there's pockets inside that. It goes for any.
Wait, I can buy that like that or?
Yeah, you can buy it like that. You have the option.
Okay.
Put them in.
Nice.
So you can wear these under any garment comfortably. You have full protection.
What do you
Kevlar,
have?
yeah.
What is it?
Kevlar is like a fiber.
Yes.
It's a heat retardant. It's used in a lot of bulletproof vests. It's good stuff.
Slow going up. You got to do it.
You have protection here? Oh my God, good.
I'd like to show it again. We have the underarm venting under the.
Nice.
We have zippered pockets, and then let me undress for that location.
Be careful.
It's fully lined with Kevlar,
Nice.
and it's got the back armor, shoulders, and elbows. This is the one.
אני חושב שאתה קצת קשה איתם.
לא, אני מפחד שאני אצא לעשות
זה 660 ספורט שלהם. ספורט, למה אדוונצ'ר?
גלגל קצר.
כן. Thank you. Bye.
That's fine. I can live with that.
אני רוצה משהו כזה, בוא נראה. הנה יש...
So my near vision has